When people look up the night sky, they'll usually expect to see the same old moon and stars. However, if they happen to see a meteor shower, it would grab their attention and rivet them to the spot. I'll show you a video. You might not see anything for the first couple seconds, but there will be streaks of light across the sky, and that is the meteors themselves actually contacting the Earth's atmosphere. As you can probably tell, the sky is moving rather fast because this is all sped up. You won't see that on a regular sky. You won't see it. Earth doesn't move that fast, no. That was the Perseid meteor shower, and as you can see, it's quite a spectacle. Many people aren't aware that meteorites have actually left a huge impact on the Earth, literally. And while giant ones should create fear, the smallest of these objects, micro meteorites, are nothing to concern yourself with. There's nothing to fear from them. Even though I'm not the expert on meteorites, I spent a lot of time on this so that I can inform you properly about them. After all, I believe that meteorites are very interesting objects when it comes to Earth's history. I hope that by the time that I'm done, you'll understand what a meteorite is, how it has impacted our history, and what significance to science is. First, I'll discuss what a meteorite is. According to Mike Reynolds in Falling Stars, meteor derives from the Greek word meteora or meteoros. Originally, it described any atmospheric phenomena, including rainbows and lightning. A meteorite is a fragment of an asteroid or comet that survives entry through the Earth's atmosphere. A meteor, however, you need to know this, is destroyed upon contact or during contact with the Earth's atmosphere. It never makes it through. And then there's a fireball. This is a meteorite which, while it passes through, creates amazing light and sound effects as it passes through. I have yet to see one, but I know that they are incredible. These meteoroids differ from comets and asteroids, as comets, according to The Practical Astronomer by Will Gator, are chunks of ice and dust which orbit the sun. This means that a comet will never actually enter the Earth's atmosphere, and asteroids always stay beyond the Earth's atmosphere. Now, meteorites have three different compositions, according to the National Geographic Encyclopedia of Space. There's stony, which is either complex carbon compounds, or molten rock now crystallized. Then there's iron, which is made mostly of iron and nickel, and then there's stony iron, which is a combination of the previous two. So now that you know what a meteorite is, I'll tell you how they've impacted the Earth. First, there are the meteor showers, as you've seen. The Idiot's Guide to Astronomy says that a meteor shower occurs when the Earth's orbit intersects with the trailing fragments of a comet. It also says that a meteor shower is associated with the different comets occurring with high regularity and are named after the constellations from which the streaks appear to originate, such as the Perseids, the Orionids, and the Taurids. Then, of course, there are the impact events. The most famous and widely known impact is the one that associates with the dinosaur extinction theory. According to Karen Smith from Meteorites, a 10-kilometer meteor struck the Earth, causing months-long dense dust clouds to block the sun's rays, effectively killing off 70% of all life due to the extreme climate changes. While this is still only a theory, the scope of destruction that could be caused by a meteorite impact shows just how dangerous the large meteorites are. Since you now know about meteorites and what they can do, I'll explain what they revealed about our universe. Believe it or not, studying how a meteorite makeup is organized can help us understand how the creation of planets works. So says Alex Bevan from Meteorites, a journey through space and time. Meteorites come from comets and asteroids, which are the result of failed planets. And since the recipe for creating Earth disappeared millions of years ago, all that we have left to look at are the meteorites that land on our planet. Because science is an ever-expanding field, knowing how our planet was created might help us one day understand our place in the universe. Now, on our journey, we learned about meteorites, their impact on Earth, and what they can tell us about the universe. Hopefully you see, as I do, that meteorites are interesting objects in our history. Even though giant meteorites are of concern, the majority of meteorites don't even pass through the atmosphere. They all bounce off, or they just are destroyed upon contact. And the ones that make it through usually don't do that much damage. So if you have a chance to watch a meteor shower, I highly suggest that you do. And you might even want to make it the end of a romantic evening. If you don't, though, please invite me. I want to see it.